Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be diving into the top 5 best cordless saws currently available on the market. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional contractor, or just someone looking for a reliable tool for your next project, we've got the perfect options for you. All the product links will be in the description below, so let's get started. At number 5, we have the Folia Cordless Reciprocating Saw. This versatile tool is designed for users who need a compact yet powerful option for cutting through a variety of materials, including wood, plastic, and even metal. With a pure copper motor capable of reaching speeds up to 3,500 strokes per minute, this saw delivers impressive cutting performance for its price point. The lightweight design, weighing only 5.44 pounds, makes it easy to handle, even for extended use. One of the standout features of this reciprocating saw is its tool-free blade change mechanism, which allows you to swap out blades quickly and efficiently without the need for extra tools. It also comes with two 2,000 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, ensuring that you won't run out of power mid-project. However, while the performance is solid, it's worth noting that this model is better suited for light to moderate use rather than heavy-duty tasks. Overall, the Folia Reciprocating Saw is an excellent budget-friendly option for beginners or homeowners tackling occasional DIY projects. The ergonomic design and included accessories, like the 4 saw blades and quick charger, add to its value. However, if you're a professional looking for a more robust tool, this might not be the ideal choice. In the 4th spot, we have the Saker Mini Chainsaw. This is the most affordable option on our list, priced at just $29.99, yet it packs a surprising amount of functionality for its price. Designed with portability and user-friendliness in mind, this chainsaw weighs only 2.5 pounds, making it an excellent choice for women, the elderly, or anyone who finds full-size chainsaws too cumbersome. The 2025 upgraded copper motor ensures higher efficiency and faster cutting speeds, making it suitable for light pruning, trimming, and small woodcutting tasks. Safety is a priority with the Saker Mini Chainsaw, as it features a safety lock and protective baffles to minimize accidental starts and flying debris. Although the build quality is not as rugged as premium options, it's sufficient for light-duty tasks. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery offers decent runtime, but may require frequent recharges for larger projects. This mini chainsaw is perfect for casual users who need a compact, no-hassle tool for gardening and light work around the house. While it's not a heavy-duty performer, it offers fantastic value for the price, making it a great gift for DIYers or homeowners who want a simple yet efficient tool. Coming in at number 3 is the CC Mini Chainsaw, a slightly more advanced option compared to the Saker. This cordless 6-inch chainsaw is lightweight at just 2.62 pounds and comes with two 2.0H batteries, giving you extended runtime for longer projects. It's perfect for cutting through small branches, pruning, and other light-duty tasks. The powerful motor and high chain speed of 16.4 feet per second allow it to cut through 5.91-inch logs in as little as 8 seconds, which is impressive for a tool in this price range. The CC Mini Chainsaw also scores high on convenience, as it arrives fully assembled and ready to use. You get a comprehensive accessory kit, including extra chains, a nut driver, and even gloves, making it a great value for the price. However, the build quality and cutting performance are best suited for occasional use rather than professional or heavy-duty tasks. For casual homeowners looking for an affordable, yet slightly more robust option than the Saker, the CC Mini Chainsaw is a fantastic choice. The dual batteries and thoughtful accessories make it a well-rounded purchase. But if you need something for tougher jobs, you may want to look at the higher-ranked models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect cordless saw for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about the products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.